Good morning, dear children. Today we are going to learn lesson 3. We are going to learn lesson 3, rotation and revolution. See, children, once look at these pictures. Look at the picture given below. Which of these reminds you of the Earth's movement? So, the Earth has two types of movements, and when you look at this picture, which of the Earth movements do you remind? And if you look at this picture, which of the Earth movements do you remind in your mind? I want answers from you through WhatsApp. Okay, children, I'm waiting for your answers. And in this lesson, we are going to learn about movements of the Earth, what causes day and night, what causes seasons. Okay, see here, movements of the Earth. The Earth moves in two ways. See, this is the Earth. This is our Earth. The Earth moves in two ways, rotation and revolution. This is rotation of Earth. Rotation, see, rotation and revolution. The Earth moves in two ways, rotation and revolution. Rotation refers to the spinning movement of the Earth on its own axis. See, this is direction of spin. See, like this, from North Pole to South Pole. So, rotation refers to the spinning movement of the Earth on its own axis. Revolution refers to the movement of the Earth around the Sun. So, the movement of the Earth around the Sun, we call it as revolution, and the spinning movement of the Earth on its own axis, we call it as rotation. Both these movements takes place simultaneously. So, these two movements takes place at a time. See here, rotation of the Earth. Rotation of the Earth. If we watch a basketball spinning on our finger, we will notice that it spins about an imaginary axis. We have an imaginary axis, and this axis coincides with our finger at the bottom. In the same way, the Earth too has its own axis on which it rotates. So, the Earth rotates in the same way in its own axis. Okay. The axis of the Earth is an imaginary line that passes right from the North Pole to the South Pole through the center of the Earth. Yes, here in this picture we can see clearly, right, that passes from North Pole to South Pole. We have an imaginary line that passes right from the North Pole to the South Pole. Through the center of the Earth. Through the center. See here, center of the Earth. It is tilted. It is tilted at an angle of 23.5 degrees from the plane of the center of the Earth. Yes, see here. This is tilted with 22.5 degrees from the plane of the center of the Earth. It takes 24 hours for the Earth to complete one single rotation around its axis. So, this takes 24 hours to complete one single rotation around the Earth's own axis. Okay. Day and night. Day and night. Earth's rotation causes day and night. The rotation of Earth on its own axis that causes day and night. As the Earth rotates, the part facing the Sun experiences day, while the part away from the Sun experiences night. Yes, when the rotation happens on its own axis of the Earth, the half part of it faces towards the Sun and the remaining part faces towards the Moon. Earth's rotation also has an effect on days. Yes, the rotation of Earth on its own axis also has an effect on dates. As we learnt in the previous chapter, the eastern hemisphere is ahead of the western hemisphere by a day. This is because the earth rotates from west to east. So, eastern hemisphere is ahead of the western hemisphere. It implies that in 24 hours, places located in the eastern hemisphere face the sun and turn away from it before places located in the western hemisphere. Yes, within 24 hours of time, the places that are located in the eastern hemisphere faces the sun and then they turn away from it before places located in the western hemisphere. This is the reason why when it is 1st January in India, it is the night of 31st December in the USA. Yes, if we have 1st January in India, but it is the night of 31st December in the USA, we consider in this way. Revolution of the earth. Revolution of the earth. We continue revolution of the earth in the next class, children. Once go through the movements of the earth, rotation of the earth, and day and night. Okay, bye children. Thank you all of you.